are here today in a gas station outskirts of Bangkok. It is one of the 18 pit stops that UD Trucks is having to support the truck drivers and the industry. Truck drivers have a very tough challenges and very tough job. They're driving all the day long, and to motivate them, to reward them for the very strong job they are doing, we are here to refresh them. We are providing them cold drinks, and we are also providing them massages. So they can feel relaxed, they can feel very strong, very motivated, so they can drive safer and they can drive longer. And as we say in UD Trucks, then they can go the extra mile.
นวดแล้วดีขึ้นครับขับรถไกลๆปวดหลังปวดเอวดีครับสบายครับอยากได้ทำเป็นเบาะรถ ก็ดีครับนานๆจะมีบูธอย่างนี้มาตั้งทีส่วนมากก็
นี่เริ่มก็เพิ่งเห็นยูดีเนี่ยครับจัดรู้สึกดีครับ
UD Truck wants to be very close with all the drivers. They are core of our business. They are core of UD Truck customers' business. This is our promise. We UD Trucks go the extra mile, so our customers can go the extra mile.